Hello students, welcome to the science class of 5th standard of chapter Simple Machines. I hope you have read and revised the topic machines, types of machines and lever. Today I am going to discuss about types of simple machines, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. So kindly open your book at page 131. Pulley. A pulley is a simple machine used to lift heavy objects. It makes our work easier by letting us raise an object by pulling down rather than lifting up directly. So, definition of pulley is a simple machine with a wheel and a rope or a belt used to lift heavy objects. Students, pulley has a wheel with a groove and a rope, belt or chain that moves over the groove of the wheel. Underline word groove and write down its meaning: a long narrow cut in a surface. Students, pulleys are of two types. Number 1 is fixed pulley and number 2 is movable pulley. Let's discuss about fixed pulley. Fixed pulley, a pulley which has a fixed wheel and a rope that moves around the wheel. Students, in fixed pulley, the wheel is fixed and the rope moves in the grooved rim of the wheel. It changes the direction of the applied force. Some common applications where a fixed pulley is used are in lifting water from the well, raising a flag to the top of the flagpole, and navigating a sailboat. Now next is movable pulley. Movable pulley is a pulley in which the wheel is not fixed. In movable pulley, the wheel is not fixed. It is free and movable, and load is directly attached to the pulley. Students, movable pulley allow us to use less effort when lifting a heavy object than fixed pulley and is usually used in combination with a fixed pulley. Examples of movable pulley are machines like cranes use both fixed and movable pulleys to lift very heavy objects. Now, next topic is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle is an arrangement of simple machines in which wheel rotates on an axle. Underline word axle and write down its meaning. The axle is a rod that goes through the wheel. When the wheel moves, the axle, which is rigidly fixed with the wheel, also moves in the same direction. Examples of wheel and axle are steering wheel, a doorknob, a bicycle pedal, and an egg beater. Now next topic is inclined plane. Students, inclined plane is a slope or a flat surface raised at an angle. It is a slope or a tilted surface used to move heavy loads up and down. Underline word tilted and write down its meaning: slope. Inclined plane changes the direction of the force applied and reduces the effort needed to do the work. Examples of inclined plane are ramps in schools, hospitals and malls, slides in the playground, etc. Now next is screw. Screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod or a post. Students, screw is a simple machine that can help to raise weight or press or fasten objects It has a groove at its head for a screwdriver to fit in it easily. The ridges on the screw are called threads. The spiral of the screw, that is, grooves, threads it into objects such as wood or a concrete wall. Screw is used to hang picture frames on our walls. Another example of screw is a car jack used to lift a car. Jar lids and base of light bulb are also examples of screw. Now next is wedge. Wedge is a simple machine made up of two inclined planes. It is a simple machine in which two inclined planes are joined together. It has a long triangular shape with one end blunt and the other side sharp to cut through things. Underline word blunt and write down its meaning unsharpened. Examples of wedge are knife, axe blade, fork, etc. Students, today we have discussed about types of simple machines, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. Now there is a small exercise checkpoint on page 133. Do this exercise on book and also revise related cross questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.